Hi, it's Coach Pete. Thanks for stopping back. I want to talk a little bit about something great families do. They have family retreats in the summertime. And I've been fortunate to work with a lot of families and help them design some really good retreats. We've learned a lot. We want to have a mix of fun, interaction, social time, just time to get to know each other, check in with each other, and then we can sprinkle in a little bit of business, maybe an update to the family, maybe even the family members that aren't involved in the business, or we can talk to the younger generation about the business, answer questions, begin to kind of stir some interest with them, begin to set some expectations with the next generation about what it takes to be successful, or how you may or may not want to have them join the family business someday. So think about having a family summer retreat. It can really be a great way to bring the family together, educate them about the business, and build some bonds. And remember, the families that I've worked with and watched, it takes a long time to learn how to have a family retreat, to learn how to have a good one. So if your first one isn't perfect, if it isn't ideal, keep doing it because it'll get better and they'll ebb and flow a little bit. But really seriously think about having a summer family retreat, and let me know if I can help you design it or give you any input on how to make a really great retreat for your family. Thanks for stopping by.